What up, guys? Today I'm heading down to SoCal. I actually sold one of my car. I sold the car to one of the big car YouTuber, but most of you guys probably know who he is. We're meeting up Josh's house and he's buying my car. You guys see in a sec. Yeah, she's so.
Oh my God.
Just got here at Josh's. Get away! Get away! Get away!
Oh crap! Ah, broken. No. I think you're at the wrong spot, bro.
Nice, Rob.
Dude, I'm doubling up, dude. That thing loud.
Yeah, Randy's here. He's buying the car. Alright,
Ah! I don't miss nothing, dude. Freaking got all the angles all day. Get both of you guys in the corner. Ow, my knees. Smells good.
Finish up this video and I can end my video and then I've even filmed some dumb shit all morning. Here we go, another car. Dakota, why'd you say yes?
Why not? Everything for sale.
Everything's for sale.
Daddy don't got time for it.
Yeah, I got no time for anything.
I got nothing from money.
You got nothing but money.
You, that's you. That's your new sticker, bro.
I know nothing about rotaries.
Let me take this off your hands. You can take this off my hands.
Damn.
Watch out for the post. That's for you.
Savage.
Nah, make sure they don't have any of that.
How's the air ride works?
I'll show you how to use it right now. Oh, the seat does not move, by the way, Dakota.
It's fun.
You gotta just like-
We're like same height, bro.
I sniffed it. Me out, about to put a seatbelt on. Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Freaking got a half chub already.
Well, me and Randy just traded.
Put it in sport mode. Let's see. Let's air you all the way up. There you go.
Holy moly.
I'm gonna move out of the way. Just angle out of it and you should be good.
I'll follow you.
And then, yeah.
I'm Coda's videographer for the day. Freaking double fisted, dude.
Coda bought a Supra.
He sure did. Jungle gym.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't even know how this works.
That's park.
To engage gear, press unlock button.
Let's drive. There you go.
There you go. How expensive is this car?
A lot.
So
It's probably a lot.
this is probably like the most expensive car I ever drove.
I'm scared. My arm hurts.
Ready?
Doubled up.
Let me give you right height. At this angle, you still have to angle a little bit, okay?
Ooh, dang.
Oh, fuck, this is slam, boo! How much you eat today, Robbie?
A lot. chill, dude. Paddle shifting. Damn.
Oh my god. What size is this tire? It spins.
Hell. Jesus. This thing's sick.
Insane.
Dang, fool, you getting passed by a motorbike? Jesus Christ. This thing's sick, dude. Holy shit.
So loud. Sounds
It's like you don't even try to be loud, and it's just loud.
Hey, me and Randy just traded car.
Congrats, Coda. Sick car.
Everything I ever dreamt of. Really? No, not really. So, I have your money. That did fall off. Nah, I'm just kidding. Are you serious? Did that just happen right now while I was driving? Man, why you grabbing me so hard? The twin turtles are crazy. Nothing but nothing. Oh, nothing. Nothing. What? What? Read it. Nothing but time. Oh, I said nothing. Nothing.
Alright, Coda. Here's your money, bro. You can count it.
Here's the super key.
I was like, oh shit.
Let's
go.
Use the marker.
Yeah, don't use the marker.
Because I guarantee it will.
Guys, it's official. I got 9-7. Wait, is it yours?
Is it yours?
Huh?
Are you buying it for yourself?
Yeah, it's for me.
Dude.
You think,
No,
dude?
we all have FDs.
Who's
Wait,
all?
Coda, you just sold it.
I just sold mine.
I guess.
You can borrow that one, Coda. So we had 3 FDs.
Alright, cool.
And
That
then
was
Sunny
my
had 4.
previous
When
one.
Coda goes home, I'll come. I'll be Coda.
You'll be coming.
Oh my. Well, that was a fast transaction. Should we go hang out, take pictures and shit?
Yeah,
Let's
do
go
it.
before the sun goes
The sun
down.
is perfect right now.
Yeah, the sun's perfect. Let's go.
We're ready.
No, you can film in the. Oh no, he
Coda, what you give me for Christmas?
Hey. Am I going straight?
Nope. We're all rolling out, guys.
You guys got the coolest house on the block.
I'm gonna have my face car looting everyone.
Hey, Scar.
Oh, dude.
Hey,
Hey.
P2. With his one beer.
Columbia.
Yeah. I gotta take out Josh's 180. Rob's taking 1J 240. made it to the spot. We're gonna take some rollers. This 180 is fire though. Drivers meeting.
Always try and be opposite of the
Cars in front of you. If the car's split some way different from you, you go opposite. Alright, so we're gonna go in and out, kinda. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys come back out. That's literally it. Easy, bro. We film this stuff all the time. Have you seen the Christy video? That'll be the last one. Okay, the last one. Okay, let's try it in person. Let's try all of us walking together. and then next, drive on top of the next car. Take photos.
We're doing photo shoot, a video shoot, filming stuff. Randy, it came with the manual.
Dang.
You want to buy it? You can buy it if you want. I'm not even kidding.
Keep that thing, bro.
Bro,
Yeah.
my Supra came with 2.
It's for this.
Had a good time. We got to drive the car all weekend, and it ran amazing. And
Now it needs to go 7 hours.
I haven't
7
checked.
hours.
Yeah, we're not checking
Oh,
that for a bit.
can't wait to see what you're gonna do to this
We're
thing.
gonna absolutely ruin it. Actually, that term, you guys, for you guys, it might not be ruining it. For somebody else, it's ruining it. I'm gonna make this thing fucking sick, yo. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad I could buy a car off, you know, you guys. Maybe one day.
Let me know if you guys need any car.
Plug. I got a
We
sick
got
ass
you.
RX-7, and he has what Thomas says, nothing but time. They were tripping, bro. I'm pretty sure that's not how you say it. Nothing but time. This dude paid for everyone's meal the entire weekend. Baller, bro.
Yeah, let me know. Yeah, that's how we gotta finish vlog. Randy bought my car.
You gonna kiss it?
Can I do it?
You're gonna kiss.